So this is the fox and the firefly cottage. Wow, what a nice place. How much are your rooms?
We have a standard room here, ma'am, without
How
shower
much?
and toilet.
Yes, how much?
1,400.
1,400
We
standard.
have also
Aircon or non-aircon?
fan room, ma'am.
Fan room, okay.
Our rooms here are all fan rooms.
Fan rooms because it's cool.
Yes,
It's
ma'am.
very cool out here. Alright. Are there fireflies at night?
Yes, we have, ma'am. We do firefly tour also here around
Firefly tour.
6:30 in the evening.
About how many fireflies would you see? How many in a tree?
It depends, ma'am, if the weather is good.
It depends on the weather.
Because if it's
So it would be
raining,
a lot?
you cannot see fireflies.
So best time to come over here is during the summer.
Summer. Yeah, summer. That's the better.
Oh, nice place. Thank you. What are the package that you have here?
We have here,
You have this package tour. Can I have a look? Okay. So this is the schedule. What a beautiful spot here at Loboc. Houses on stilts. These are the rooms if you want to book one. They don't have any air conditioning because they don't need it. It's pretty cool out here. Very cool air. There's a bar upstairs and a lounge. Nice place to chill and hang out. And this is the entire property. And the restroom is to the toilet. Very cute, ka-sexy. Hello. Wow, it's a garden and you sit right here. Go, Ken, jump!
Okay, go. Wow. But that is definitely a serious swing.
So come on, Ken, jump!
Jump, but you gotta go on the swing to get out far enough.
Yes, you gotta jump towards the swing.
No.
Well, that's a serious jump. You can jump from that height, grab the swing, and then jump into the water. Like that.
No.
Oh no!
No.
Oh no! Can just grab the rope. Yay! And then you can jump now.
Go back.
That's 5 to 7 meters deep. Are you really gonna jump?
Well, I have the rope so far, but
This is Joan of Arc at Loboc River and relaxing. Bye-bye for now until our next tour.